This was their last stop before the long walk, over 500 miles of rugged land to Kansas. Fort Worth was Grover's last chance to buy supplies, enjoy a good meal, and kick up their heels before months of beans and hardtack and sleeping under the stars. Today you'll catch a glimpse of that past, but the herd is more.
These are all slip grease.
It's a reminder of Fort Worth's Western heritage, of the cowboy grit and rugged independence so ingrained in the Texas spirit. That spirit is still here, and you are a part of it. So be sure